Adobe PageMaker 7.0 installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Explain. Installation before system setup. Desktop Windows search box lo virus and treat. Enter. First option virus and treat protection. Select. Middle section lo virus and treat protection settings. Related manage settings option click. First one real-time protection. Left side edge mouse left click. Windows security first button yes click. Offset scroll down. Next third one cloud delivered protection. Offset left side edge mouse left click. And automatic sample submission left side box tick mark set. Offset. Next temper protection left side edge mouse left click. Offset. After installation process completed and reset all option on set. Window minimize. Desktop browser open. Google search box lo enter. Enter key press. First or second any one link click. Minimize. Desktop Adobe PageMaker folder. Select open. Window maximize. Bottom side blue color setup file. Select. Mouse right click. Fourth option run as administrator. Select setup.exe. Window lo first button yes click. Folder minimize. Adobe PageMaker 7.0 installation process start. First button next click. Language selection window lo default first one US English set. Second button next click. Select language internal default first one US English set. Second button next click. Application related software license agreement complete info display in middle section. Second button accept click. Click the type of setup you prefer, then click next. Three options display. First one default typical left side circular tick mark set. Installation path destination folder local disk C. Newly created folder Adobe subfolder PageMaker 7.0. In case change the another OneDrive browse button click. Present unnecessary second button next click. Use information window lo first one product is registered to multi-purpose and commercial purpose. First one option left side circular tick mark set only personal and individual. Second one circle tick mark set mouse left click. First name anyone enter your name Chari. Next last name take and company name info. Anyone enter your name option serial number enter. Window minimize. Folder reopen. Serial number notepad related file select mouse double click. Copy these 4 digits. First one select mouse right click. Second option copy click. PageMaker installation window reopen. First box mouse left click. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl V press. As it same method all boxes fill. Minimize. Second one serial number select mouse right click copy reopen. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl V minimize. Last one serial number copy. PageMaker window reopen. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl V press. Second button next click. Following registration information user system name Charitech company name info and serial number. First button yes click. Components PageMaker related useful components necessary all box tick mark unnecessary first one set. Second button next click. Second button next click. Adobe PageMaker 7.0 installation process start. 0 to 100% process completed until wait and hear few minutes. Information window lo OK button click. Display PageMaker 7.0 readme file unnecessary box tick mark remove. Second button, finish, click. Thank you for installing Adobe PageMaker 7.0 window. OK button, click. File close, folder close, desktop Windows search box lo PageMaker, enter. First option, PageMaker 7.0, select. Run this application. Registration window lo last third option, do not display this dialog again. Left side circular tick mark set. First button, continue, click. Adobe PageMaker 7.0 interface and window, maximize. Work related different templates. Close button, click. Side top edge blue color section, mouse left click and drag your convenient place, left and right. Next, file menu, click. New option, select. Document setup window lo first one, page size. Later, right side down arrow, click. A4 set. Different measurements, page related display. First button, OK, click. Second one, text icon, select. Font size 24. Enter Chari Tech Info Varangal.